Hello viewers, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you are watching from. In this video we are going to continue from our rationalization of Surds. Right in front of us we have example 3. We are going to take a solution of this. Without wasting time, let's solve this. So we have a solution to this kind of question. We have a solution. So here we are asked to rationalize 7 over 2 plus root 3. To do this is very easy. So we are going to multiply by the conjugate of the surd. Like I said in my previous video, this is the conjugate. The denominator is always the conjugate. Since the conjugate is positive, it will not turn to what? Negative. So multiply both the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the surd. The conjugate of the surd. 7 times this. So we are going to have 7 bracket means what? Times 2 minus root 3 over. Here we have to multiply everything here together. Multiply everything here together. So we have 2 plus root 3. We have 2 minus root 3. Now we use this 7 to open up the bracket. 7 times 2 is what? 14. Minus 7 times root 3 is what? 7 root 3 over. We are going to use this to open up the bracket. 2 times 2 is what? 4. 2 times minus root 3 is minus 2 root 3. Plus root 3 times 2 is what? Plus 2 root 3. Plus times minus is what? Minus. Root 3 times root 3. Since the roots are the same and they are multiplied each other, we are going to what? Square it. We are going to square this such that we are going to have 14 minus 7 root 3 over minus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3. They will cancel each other out. So we have 4 minus this power 2. We cancel this square root sign. So this power 2 will cancel this. We have minus 3 left. So this will give us 14 minus 7 root 3 over 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is what? 1. Anything divided by 1 is what? That's a number. So our answer will remain like this. This is the answer to this kind of question. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. If you're on my Facebook, follow me. If you're on my YouTube channel, if you're watching from my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.